Hello, my dear students. Wish you all a very good morning. So, children, welcome to your English lecture. Actually, it is a grammar lecture. Okay. So, children, in our last lecture, we had discussed about proper nouns and common nouns. Okay. Today, we are going to discuss about collective nouns. Collective nouns. Okay. So, let's start. Leena and Lalit went to the market and bought a bunch of grapes and a bouquet of flowers for their mother. On the way, they saw a litter of kittens and a pack of dogs. They saw a troop of dancers dancing merrily to a beautiful song being played by a band of musicians. So, children, in the above passage, the words in red, that is bunch in red, that is bunch, litter, bouquet, pack, troop and band. It tells us about a group of things, animals and people. ये bunch मतलब एक नहीं, एक से ज़्यादा, like that is bunch of grapes. एक साथ 10 grapes, 5 का bunch होता है. It is a bunch, it is not single, it is okay. So they are called collective nouns. एक से ज़्यादा होता है इस एक word में. Then it is litter of kittens, right? So meaning of litter is all the young animals that are born to one mother. Okay, जैसे कि litter of kittens, बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे किटन कैट के young ones. Okay, then and a pack of dogs, it also means the same, that is group of dogs. जब dogs hunt के लिए जाता है ना, तो वो एक साथ जाते हैं. So that is pack of dogs. Then they saw a troop of dancers dancing merrily. Troop of dancers, एक से ज़्यादा dancers, that is group. Okay, so that is called troop of dancers, because हम everywhere we cannot use the word GROUP, that is group. Everywhere we cannot use. So these are the words given to the different words. Okay, so and they saw a troop of dancers dancing merrily to a beautiful song being played by band of musicians. That is a band, पूरा group होता है ना. That is band of musicians. एक ये बजाता है, एक कोई दूसरा organ बजाता है. Okay, so they play different musical instruments. एक पूरा BAND, it is called a band of musicians, right? So in the above passage, the words in red tell us about a group of things, animals and people. They are called collective nouns. Okay, so they are called collective nouns. So in people we can use the words like a troop of dancers, an army of soldiers, a crew of sailors, a band of musicians, that is a group, एक से ज़्यादा. Okay, a crowd of people. crowd, अभी कोरोना है तो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि क्राउड नहीं होना चाहिए, क्राउड में नहीं रहना, दैट इज़ ग्रुप में नहीं रहना, है ना. दैट इज़ एक से ज़्यादा हो तो नहीं रहना वहाँ पे, इट इज़ अ क्राउड. देन एनिमल्स के लिए भी वी यूज सच कलेक्टिव नाउन सच एज लिटर ऑफ किटन्स, a herd of buffaloes, a pack of dogs, a streak of tigers. जैसे कि टाइगर्स का ग्रुप होता है, उसको वी कॉल एज स्ट्रीक. a hive of bees, जैसे कि डू यू नो हनी बीज है ना, वो कभी एक जगह पे एक सिंगल नहीं होती, पूरा उसका हाइव होता है, एक से बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. सो द कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज फॉर दिस बीज आर हाइव ऑफ बीज, राइट. और सेम थिंग्स में भी होता है. बंच ऑफ ग्रेप्स, एक से ज़्यादा पूरा होता है, दैट इज़ बंच. बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, आप किसी की शादी में जाते हो, बर्थडे होता है, तो आप सिंगल फ्लावर नहीं देते, आप ना बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स को कंबाइन करके एक पूरा व्हाट वी कॉल that is bouquet. ठीक है, bouquet. फ्लोरिस्ट हमें क्या बना के देता है? bouquet. Okay, then a fleet of cars, that is more than one car, that is group of cars. Then a galaxy of stars. आप जब रात को when you look in the sky you can see a galaxy of stars, so many stars. Then a bundle of sticks. एक single stick है तो फिर the word bundle won't come, but एक से ज़्यादा बहुत सारी stick का एक bundle बना हुआ है. Okay, so that is a bundle of sticks. जैसे कि आपकी पेंसिल्स है तो आप सारी पेंसिल्स को एक जगह रख के फिर एक रबर बैंड या कुछ लगा दोगे, सो दैट इज़ अ बंडल. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, सम कलेक्टिव नाउन्स कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर मल्टीपल कॉमन नाउन्स ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन आर्मी ऑफ सोल्जर्स एंड एन आर्मी ऑफ एंट्स ऑल्सो. So some collective nouns can be used for multiple common nouns also. Okay, so let's go through some more examples. ये थोड़े more there are some more examples तो आपको clear हो जाएगा. जैसे कि bunch word है तो हम bunch किस common noun के लिए use कर सकते हैं? like bunch of keys, bananas, grapes and even pigeons, right? Then band of soldiers, musicians, men and even gorillas, right? What is this? Choir, that is singers and even angels also. Okay, then flock of birds, then chickens, then ducks, then geese, then goats and sheep. इनके लिए we use the collective noun that is flock. Okay, इन सब के लिए. Then next is island, people, dancers and engineers. इसके लिए the collective noun which we use is group. Second, and then the next one is thieves and animals. Thieves and animals. इसके लिए the word we use is gang. That is gang of thieves, or we can say gang of animals, right? Then the common nouns are cattle, deer, elephants, horses and zebras. So for this common nouns we can use the collective noun HERD, herd, right? Then comes dogs, wolves, sharks and cards. For this we can use collective noun pack, PACK, pack of dogs, pack of sharks. Okay, then bees, butterflies, flies, rats and insects. So we, for these common nouns we can use the word swarm. Okay, so swarm of bees, then swarm of butterflies, swarm of flies. Okay, then next is dancers, monkeys and performers. For this we can use the group, that is group word, that is troop. We can say troop of dancers, troop of monkeys or troop of performers. बेटा ये आपको बाय हार्ट करना है, अच्छे से याद रखना है. ओके, सो टुडे यू हैव टू राइट, नो आई विल गिव यू द राइटिंग वर्क फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ओनली. ठीक है, वो हम बाद में कर लेंगे पूरा एक साथ. राइटिंग वर्क, दैट इज़ नोटबुक वर्क, दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ प्रॉपर नाउन, व्हाट इज़ कॉमन नाउन एंड व्हाट इज़ कलेक्टिव नाउन. उसके बाद यू विल हैव टू राइट दिस. ओके, okay, so children, here you will do this question 1, that is read the following sentences, identify the common nouns and proper nouns and write them in the correct column. ये proper noun का column है. ओके, और ये common noun का. Here पहले collective लिखा था but it is proper noun. Okay, so Manjula and Anita are waiting for their friends at the bus stop. So Manjula and Anita are proper nouns, so you have to write those names here. Then friends is common nouns. Okay, so friend you will write it here. ऐसे ही आपको ये सारे सेंटेंस देखने हैं, उनमें से जितने कॉमन नाउन है वो आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे और प्रॉपर नाउन्स you will write it here. Okay children, so you have to do this as today's class work, right? So please do this and rest we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so I will give you notebook work also. So that's all for today's grammar lecture. Thank you.